Let's create an easy 2D animation using Adobe Illustrator. First, let's go to the FreePic website and search for any 2D vector that you wish to animate and type animation frames at the end and hit search. Here you will get a lot of options to choose from. Select the one you like and click on this drop-down arrow, and then click on the Illustrator file type and let it download. Once the file is downloaded, open Adobe Illustrator. Click on Open and then go to the location where you have saved the file and open the downloaded file. Once the file is open, click on File, then New, and then create a custom artboard of 1000 by 1000 pixels and click on Create. Now let's go to our previous file and drag and select everything and press Ctrl+C to copy. Then come to our custom artboard and paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V. Now take your cursor to the corner and then hold Shift and left-click drag to scale it. Scale it so that the vector fits properly inside the artboard. Once you're satisfied with the size, place it outside the artboard. Now let's create a background. Select the rectangle tool and create a square like so. Press I for the eyedropper tool and select the color you want to keep for the background. Going to select the same color from the actual artwork. Now let's add extra artboards as per our frames. To do that, click on Window and press on Artboards. Select Artboard 1 and click on the hamburger icon and click on Duplicate Artboards. Now select both and repeat the steps. Do this until you have enough artboards as per your frames. Once you are done, close this panel, go in the Layers panel and select the object groups and drag them above the rectangles we just created. Now let's delete the background and the frame numbers. Select the first artboard background, then go to Properties, then select your object, and click on Vertical and Horizontal Align Center. If you don't see the Align panel here, you can open it by going in Window, Align. Make sure you have Align to Artboard enabled. Then select the second artboard background and then select the second frame object and align it to the center. Keep repeating this until you have all your objects aligned to the artboards. Once done, close the Align panel, then go to File, Export, Export As, name it, and keep the save type as PNG. Make sure to check Use Artboard and select the All option here, and then click on Export. Make sure to keep resolution to 300 and click on OK. Now let's go to ezgif.com. Click here and select all your frames, then click Open, then click on Upload Files. We'll get this kind of interface. Make sure to set the delay time to 10 and click on Make a GIF. And here we are done. You can save this GIF by right-clicking and click on Save As. Hope you liked the tutorial. Hope you got to learn something new. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.